Alright, so I just got home and I got an exhaust leak. Pretty sure it's where the header meets the rest of the exhaust. But I'm gonna look, it might be my actual like exhaust manifold. I don't think I even popped the hood. I got pulled in a super steep parking lot and I got stuck on something. And I just kept going. And I guess it dragged something or broke something loose. I don't know. But I don't know where it would be at. I wasn't going to McDonald muffler, but I can probably figure this exhaust leak out. So I guess I'm gonna go in and jack it up and set it on something. Alright, so I got it all up. Everything is stupid hot right now, so I'm gonna wait till everything cools down and probably come back out here and see if that's where the exhaust leak is. Alright, so it's been a couple hours. I don't think nothing is hot anymore. Alright, nothing's hot no more, so I'm gonna crank it up and see if it's hot down. See if it's blowing exhaust down here. So, this right here. Let's see. Alright, so that's definitely where it's at. Alright, so that's definitely where the leak's at. It's moving the leaves out from under it. So, I guess since nothing's hot, I can work on it now. Alright, so I got it on. I zip tied this spring right here a lot so I could so I wouldn't have to press as hard. But I just use these pliers right here and I put them on this and just push this screw on like through this hole so I can put that nut on. But now I'm gonna tighten it and start it, and I really hope it don't leak. If it does, I'm not even gonna mess with it. So yeah. Alright, so I got it on there. I'm not really sure if it's supposed to be that tight, but I tightened it with this impact. So now I'm gonna crank it and I'll be able to hear if it leaks, so hopefully it don't leak. Ooh. Let's see. Still leaks. Sounds like it at least. Oh. Let me see. Oh. It's leaking at the top, but it's not as bad as it was. Coming out the exhaust, so earlier it wasn't at all. It was straight right there. It was leaking all of it. Well, yeah, I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. It's definitely fixed to my liking. It's leaking a little bit at the top, but I don't really care about that. It's leaking right there. Oh, dang, that's probably why. Well, I guess I can go to this other side and try and do it again. Try and do this side. I mean, this, what's it called? Exhaust hanger, whatever it is. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna try and do this side. Hopefully it tightens it up some. Alright, so I tightened it as tight as I could get it. It looks a little bit better. Still bent. I need to get a new one probably, eventually. But I'm honestly pretty sure it's still gonna leak. But at this point, I don't care. I'm not paying nobody else to do it. So if it leaks a little, it's fine. Still leaking a little bit. I can hear it. Right there. If I feel it. Yeah, it's only leaking a little bit, like barely any. So tightening them two up definitely made it quieter. So I'm gonna put everything up and then I'm gonna leave. Gonna go to a baseball game. I'll probably be ending this video at the baseball game too. So yeah, it kind of sucks I had to do that. But I guess whenever you're low, you gotta deal with stuff like that. So I guess it's my fault, but yeah, that's it.
All I gotta do is drop the dot on you and they gon' blitz. They come sliding through, hop out masked up, they go them killers. And I cannot wait, put they brand new stick on a gorilla. Since they wanna hate, keep on killing, blow this shit up big. I could demonstrate how to blow the top up off a nigga. Say heavyweight, but if he ain't killing, I don't feel him. Make it escalate, get the beat turned way up to the ceiling. I bet they gon' say, when he went out, he took everything with him.
Long live college spark boom, man.